Born from sunlight and rain, the tomato holds the warmth of summer in every drop of juice. It grows where fire meets water, and sunlight gives it color. Rain gives it life. Each color tells a story. Red for passion, yellow for joy, green for youth, and gold for the warmth of home. Science calls it lycopene, and we call it love, the red gift that keeps the heart alive.
Raw, it refreshes. Cooked, it deepens, proof that transformation revealed true essence.
From Rome to Marrakesh, from kitchens to festivals, tomatoes speak all the languages of flavor.
Every bite carries life from the earth to our veins. The tomato keeps the heart beating with nature's rhythm. Its red heart beats with the rhythm of summer, reminding us that love, like nature, ripens under light.